What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will discuss how to get a high limit business credit card. We will first discuss how the structure of your business should be to receive a high limit business credit card, how your personal credit determines your approval for a high limit business credit card, and how you can receive a high limit business credit card with little to no business revenue. Before we begin applying for business credit cards, we must know how to structure our business correctly to receive the needed funding. So what should the structure of your business look like? When creating an LLC, S or C Corp, you want to make sure that everything looks official on paper. So having a brick and mortar business address, a registered agent, a toll-free number, a website, and an email for your business sets you up for success. You want your business to look structured, professional, and separate from your personal information. Unfortunately, people often set up their business incorrectly using their home address or personal cell phone number, which can make you lose credibility. Lenders will search for your business address, visit your website, call your business phone number, and even ask you questions regarding your business and what it entails. So structuring your business to look official shows lenders that you have a real business, which leads to more accessible funding and high business credit card approvals. From personal experience, you should avoid one business structure if you want to obtain really high business credit cards, and that is setting yourself up as a sole proprietor. I'm talking from experience here, as I have been a sole proprietor for some time, but once I decided to transition into an LLC and apply for business credit under the LLC, my business credit limits skyrocketed. As a sole proprietor, you are considered a little man because you and your business are the same. Your personal information is the same as the business, so there is no separation between the two. You can still obtain high limit business credit cards as a sole proprietor, but through my personal experience and the data points acquired, a sole proprietorship can only offer so much business credit. You are more likely to receive 3 to 5 times your personal credit limits on your business credit cards as an LLC or corporation than a sole proprietor. So for example, if you have a $10,000 personal credit card, you can expect anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 on a business credit card as an LLC or corporation. As a sole proprietor, it's only sometimes the case. You may have a high limit personal credit card, but only receive $1,000 to $2,000 approval on a business credit card. Additionally, having an LLC or corporation shows that you have an official business that needs big boy funding. Lenders know that many companies need business credit cards to support them. Business credit cards provide capital, help keep personal and business expenses separate, offer flexible spending, and provide perks and benefits for the company. But once you have structured your company into either an LLC or corporation, you want to make sure your state has approved it so you can go ahead and obtain your EIN. An EIN is an employer identification number used to identify a business entity. You can get an EIN for the business by going to the irs.gov website. I will also include the link in the description to apply for the EIN, which should take 5 minutes to create. An EIN is also used to open business bank accounts, so you want to ensure that your business name is spelled correctly and the address matches the LLC or corporation in your state. Additionally, providing your LLC or corporation with an EIN is vital to receiving approval for a high limit business credit card. Now, once you set up your business and obtain your EIN, the next thing you are going to want to do is get a DUNS number for your business. A DUNS number is a 9-digit number that helps lenders identify how reliable and or financially stable your company is. You can obtain your DUNS number through Dun & Bradstreet, which will not cost you anything. You can go to dnb.com to register your business and receive your DUNS number within 30 days or less. Dun & Bradstreet is a major business credit bureau, so obtaining your DUNS number with them will show lenders how you handle your business credit, which is critical to getting high limit business credit cards. On a side note, having a DUNS number is very important because it is needed to receive funding and grants for your business. So creating an LLC or corporation with your state, applying for an EIN, and getting your DUNS number will set you up for success and help you receive approval for a high limit business credit card. So once you have structured your business, created your EIN, and obtained your DUNS number, what is needed to get a high limit business credit card? Personal credit is key. When applying for business credit cards, you must ensure your credit is above 720 for a guarantee approval. An excellent credit score will show lenders that you are responsible, reliable, and can manage credit. You will also need personal credit cards with high limits, and the reason for this is that your personal credit will directly reflect how your business credit looks. And you may be asking yourself, what? My personal credit determines how my business credit looks? And the answer is yes. You can also expect high limit business credit cards if you have multiple high limit personal cards. Your personal credit will almost every time determine how your business credit looks. Let's look at it further. When you apply for a business credit card, nearly all business credit cards will always require a personal guarantee. The lender will have to pull your personal credit to give you a business credit card. This does not mean that business credit cards show up on your personal credit, but lenders must have a person who must take ownership in case of default. A personal guarantee is a legal promise between the business owner and the lender that you will be responsible for the credit the lender gives you. So approval is almost always based on how your personal credit looks. If you have excellent credit with multiple high limit personal credit cards, you can also expect the same on your business side. Your approval for a high limit business credit card will always depend on your overall credit profile. So lenders will see your payment history to ensure you consistently make on-time payments, your utilization to ensure it doesn't show any financial stress, and how you manage your other personal credit cards. It's great to know that Chase and American Express are the big dogs for business credit cards, and do not report to your personal credit if you apply for a business credit card. Additionally, those relationships you have created with your personal credit cards will almost always guarantee your approval for high limit business credit cards if they offer them. You have already established that you can handle high limits on your personal side, and thus the lenders feel confident that you will do the same with business credit cards. So how can you receive a high limit business credit card with little to no business revenue? The answer is your vision. Your vision of the business will determine if you receive approval. Most business credit card applications don't say you have to make a certain amount in your business to qualify for a business credit card. So for example, let's say you want to open up a shop of some kind or have an online e-commerce business. You must be a visionary to receive a high limit business credit card. And I say this because you want to expand and think big so that when it's time to put the expected revenue, you have an idea of what you could make. Lenders are willing to give out business credit cards like hotcakes if you have established a legitimate business, have excellent personal credit, and have a vision. Being a visionary means seeing the future with wisdom, being goal-oriented, bold, persistent, inspirational, and seeing the bigger picture. So although you are a new business, if you have a vision in mind and need the funding to support that business, the banks are there to help you. You can make zero in revenue and get approved for a high limit business credit card to fund your business. Although when you submit your business credit card application, you want to be realistic about how much you can make in the business. Banks know that many startups need funds to make their business a reality. And most of the time, the banks would prefer you to use their money than your own. But this will guarantee your approval. And if you are finding value in this video and are looking to apply for a business credit card, please consider my referral links down in the description below. It helps support the channel and encourages me to continue putting more videos out like this. So what happens when you receive your business credit card? So let's say you applied for a business credit card and you were approved. Well, now you have established business credit. Depending on what business credit card you have applied for, you now have a business credit score as fast as 30 days. Business credit is incredible because having a business credit score allows you to get business funding more quickly and obtain business lines of credit with favorable terms such as business credit cards, loans, and financing products. Business credit is also a way to help keep your personal credit as high as possible because business credit doesn't report to your personal credit. Additionally, if a lender wants to give you a business credit card, they can also look at your business credit. If they can see that you already have a good business credit score and a high limit business credit card, they will be more inclined to give you just as high or more. So obtaining business credit cards builds business credit for your business in as quick as 30 days. It can open up many ways for funding. So if we recap, structuring your business correctly, having an excellent credit score with high limit personal credit cards, and having a vision for your business will provide you with that approval for a high limit business credit card. I hope this video can inform and motivate those who want to start a business or have an existing business and need a business credit card. So remember to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.